this is the only way on how you can recover your locked account. So if you want to unlock your locked account just like this one right here, this is how you unlock it, right? This method is 100,000,000% working. I'm not gonna talk too much. At the end, I'm gonna show you the proof, right? I'm not just gonna talk, I'm gonna show you the proof, right? This video is not like those 1,000, 100,000. Those are a lot of videos on YouTube that you can watch. Those people are saying they will show you on how you can unlock your account or message people. They're gonna help you to unlock the account. They are lying. Those people, they just want to scam people. They just want to get views, right? So you can see right here, my account is locked, right? They locked it on July 5, 2026, right? The only reason why I wanted to unlock this account is because of they disabled my account right few days ago, and that is not the first account that they disabled. Even back in 2022 they did the same. And if you are being honest with enough talking, let me show you how to recover your locked account. So you can see right here, so my account is locked. Master Black Panda confirm this is your account to unlock it, right? So they locked it on July 5, 2026, right? So you're gonna need the Facebook app, right? The Facebook app, not Facebook Lite, not Chrome or whatever, the Facebook app, right? So you're gonna download it if you do not have it. If you have it, just log in, and after you log in, then it will pop up, right? This message will pop up, right? So you're gonna click on get started, right? And then it's gonna ask you to take a video selfie. Simple, right? You click on it, right? Take a video selfie, right? And then right here you're gonna see this information. Simple, right? Simple, easy steps, right? So confirm your identity with a video selfie, right? And then right here they're gonna tell you, right, how to do it. So I know this is not the first time doing it, right? You probably done this before. What you're gonna click on start selfie, and then you're gonna turn your head slowly. You're gonna follow those instructions, left, right, up, you know, right, left, right, up. Yeah, right. And after that they're gonna review it in less than 2 minutes, right? Simple, right? Simple as ABCD. And then after that you're gonna be able to log in. It's automatically gonna take you to your account, right? Let me show you, right? Let me show you right now. So I'm gonna log in, right? I'm just gonna click it, right? So you can see right here, right? Here we are. This is my account. Let me click it. Let me click it right here so you can see. Right here is my account, Master Black Panda, and today is 10 July, Friday, 10 July, and they locked it 5 days ago, right? So you can see this is the proof, guys. This worked for me. I don't really think, guys, you can recover your account by just sending emails or messaging someone on, like, someone who gonna tell you like, oh, I can help you to unlock your account. They're probably gonna scam you, but this is the only method that you must do if you want to unlock your account. So I hope this video really helps someone out there. Please make sure you like this video and you share it with other people out there, so this video can really, you know, reach more people, so it can help more people, right? So, and one last thing, I think the reason why they locked my account is because of I tried to change my information, the email address and cell phone number. You know, immediately after logging in, I really went to that information. I tried to change them, right? So they locked it. So I think that is why. And also, last time I used this account was back in 2023, right? So that was like 3 years ago. So you can see right there, last post 8 September 2023. So guys, please share this video with other people out there, and do not forget to hit that like button. If you like this video, also make sure you hit the subscribe button.